One of the key demands we get from software vendors today is how can I make sure, or what can I do to ensure that my application gets on track, gets on success, has higher exposure to customers. So today we're hosting an event where we would look at ways where Microsoft can support software vendors beyond and besides the technology. We're looking at ways where Office 365 can not only become a platform on top of which you can build, but Office 365 can become as well your channel towards customers.
Over 1 billion users use the Office client. Research has shown that they use it 2 to 3 hours daily. With more than 1 billion users having devices for work and personal use, there is a huge opportunity for ISVs to extend the Office client capabilities. It's not only the client opportunity, there is also server and services opportunity via the Office Store portal. So over 10 million enterprise Office 365 business users will see these ISV applications show up in their daily use of their portal.
In the past, everything was very tightly integrated with, for example, SharePoint or with the Office clients, while now we've got the disconnected, the loosely coupled model, which is quite a big change, but from a technical point of view, a very good change. So for a developer, there are a couple of key scenarios that will allow you to extend the out-of-the-box functionality of Office 365. For example, you can build an app for the Office clients that will allow your application to appear, let's say, in the face of the end user that is using Excel or Outlook. So there's a huge opportunity to add new functionality which is not yet there.
Our target audience are both established software vendors, those that have been in the market that are well known, but as well startups. And we are here to support both of them.
The first app we did was for Windows Phone. And our colleagues around in like the startup community in Sweden, they laughed at us because they didn't see the potential in that. But what we saw was that if we can flirt with the Windows Phone people, we can connect with the Windows people and we can connect with Office. So that was a great step for us. That was such a strategic, great decision. Basically what we want is the Microsoft users. That's basically what we want. But that was the start of it. Now we see so much more. We see the ecosystem from Azure being our server, being our guarantee that we can deliver to any kind of company around the world, to adding services within Xbox or helping people choosing photos from OneDrive. So we have so many ecosystems that we can really relate to and make sure that people can earn money from their photos, and we can make sure that people really get the photo that they need within the service, wherever they are in the Microsoft ecosystem.
It's not a choice, it's a necessity. All businesses are moving to the cloud, so when you're an IT provider, then you better follow your customers and have an offering in the cloud.
The ISV Summit is just one of the many channels we use to engage with ISVs. Another one, a new one, is Boost. Boost is a platform where we will post information that is relevant to software vendors. Information linked to Microsoft technologies, information linked to Microsoft initiatives, but as well information linked to what's happening in the market.